fishing on the bridge right here. I just asked for permission to dive this little spot over here. I'm gonna get out of their way. They said go for it. I'm gonna try to clean it up so they don't get snaked as much. The Menominee River, Caddy Street Bridge. Alright, got a crayfish a little tangled up. I give it a second chance. He's trying to get me. There you go, buddy. You're free. Thanks, Russell. Yeah. Water is nice. How many did you find so far about? What are you fishing with?
I don't want nothing, Ned. You make sure you give them to the kids.
You sure? I got a nice one right here. Nice jointed. Let's throw it. Oh. You got her? Oh, man. They're letting me pass. This is so fun. I love it better than fishing now.
I can see that, absolutely. I just told you.
I'll get out of your way, man.
No,
See you around. Just got done diving. Let's check out what I got today. Found a bunch of lures here, probably about 100. Found a bobber, forceps, golf ball, someone's reel. Got some bottles right here. This is Coca-Cola from Lansing, Michigan. It's a green bottle here. This is a United Beverage bottle. Some plastic out. We got some aluminum cans here. Also pulled a bag of trash off the banks there and found someone's Burton hat here. Pretty fun dive. Time to go home and clean them up, edit some videos. Just got all the lures cut up. Check out what I got. Today I got 60 lures, including this custom rip and wrap, some more rip and wraps there, clipless crankbaits, a bunch of jerk baits over here. Coming up over there, let's take a look at those. Got some spoons here, forceps, spinners, blade baits, and some jigs. Also removed about 20 swivels here and a little bit of lead. Not bad for about 45 minutes. And this is only the beginning.